Hello, everyone, and a very good morning. And welcome to the Human Inspiration. It is me, Shakur, the motivational and the inspirational speaker, coming to you from not the capital city of South Sudan, Juba or Sudan, Khartoum, but today it's from Kampala, Uganda. I wanted to share you this episode of Human Inspiration, and today it's about very important point. We're still talking about self egos, and we're still talking about self realizations and so many um, topics related to the human inspiration. But there is something very important that now people are very um, very eager to know, and we all would like to understand how we can drag ourselves out of it, which is the topic of today's self contradiction. And let me come to a very linguistic definition of self contradiction is the statement of contradicting yourself within yourself, and it's in a conflict that you are contradicting yourself in a way that you are behaving differently than what you're supposed to behave, and most of the times you're not doing things because you supposed to do, but you are doing things because you are doing them, and that's which unreasonably to justify why you are doing so. But when it comes to talk about why we have self-contradiction, it's similarly like psychological matter. It's an inner conflict that goes within the person himself or herself. Now, the self-conflict is contradiction is to see yourself in an image that you reject, but you still on that. To see yourself in an image that definitely you don't represent. Uh, you don't represent mentally. You don't represent, but there are some negative things urging you to do so. But when it comes to analyze this issue, and from psychological point of view, is that you are not aware whether what you do is good or not, whether what you do complies your mission or not, whether what you do makes sense or does not. Now, self contradiction leads to a self confusion. You'll be confused. You will mix the ways where you go. You will mix the ways how you do and how you implement things. Because in fact that when you are confused, definitely you do not know directions. You don't know where you're going. But this it's a little different than seeing yourself in wrong directions, because they said you need to know whom you ask for direction when you are in a wrong way. But here, the confused person, when they ask themselves to lead ahead, now where they want to go, they find themselves deviated from the real direction they wanted to go. So self-contradiction is all about contradicting yourself by your actions. You do something, and tomorrow you do another thing contradict what you have done now. Next after tomorrow you do different thing than what you have been doing, and that goes day in, day after and day after. That will lose your personality, your real personality. You will not see exactly how you are representing, but you will see some different things. Here it is that when you contradict yourself, you are pushing yourself back. You can't really go forward. You can't really go ahead at all, because you're putting one step ahead and you contradict yourself for that, and you again step back. Now, once you step back, that's not very fantastic, and it isn't even very appropriate for anybody to think in a different way or to act in an appropriate way. But it comes to identify our goals, to identify our mission, and to identify what we're doing, so that we have no more contradiction, that we have no more um, less work to do. That was Mishokur, the motivational and the inspirational speaker. I'm coming to you from Kampala. Thank you very much.